are, Memorial Day weekend. Probably gonna do some driving in this thing over the weekend, and gave it a bath today, so it looks pretty good. But this car is, far from perfect as far as paint and stuff goes. It's got a lot of stone chipping in the front, which I think later this year we'll probably address that. And this is probably the worst part here, is the where the mirror mounts. This has been like, I don't know what that has been, but it's been gooped together or something. It's like somebody ran into this mirror, kind of wrinkled the door a little bit, but it's a black car, so that stuff doesn't show up too well. So today I'm ordering some ground control camber caster plates that go on the top here. They replace this strut top bushing. These bushings have developed a lot of clunkiness over the past month or so. Basically, when you're going slow or you change direction, like you back up or something, you're steering it, you'll feel in here the steering clunk, but it's not actually the steering, it's just the top of the shock moving inside of this wore out bushing. Can't really see anything wrong with them, but you look at them, they definitely, this big washer on top definitely sticks up further than it did away from the rubber, so I'm thinking it's just becoming separated inside. I mean, it's not going to fall apart or anything, but it's definitely not controlling the camber too well like that, so we'll replace them with the ground control stuff, and then we'll have pretty easy way to adjust the camber and the caster, because they have it's basically a couple of plates, and it has kind of a Torrington bearing for the shock to ride on, so that's, and the spring too, so that's what takes the weight of the car. And then it has another bearing for steering, because since this is the front, it has to move back and forth when you steer the wheels. brake an axle or strip anything out doing that, we got a pretty good car. And it doesn't get too bad gas mileage either. Last tank full, we got 18.4 miles per gallon, which is about the same as what the Crown Vic gets. That gets about, 18, 19. So yeah, this tuning stuff is really paying off.